Yeah, it's Doink. It's doing lifestyle. It's doing lifestyle. I got a box too, got an ace on it. Got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy 2 with the Auto 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30 minutes, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. He was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notifications, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button, hit that button, hit that button. What's up, man? What's good, man? It's your boy Doink, man. Tuning in to another video, man. Alright, man, I don't know which day this is. I don't know if it's day 1. Well, not day 1. I don't know if it's day 3, day 4. But anyway, we just keep these videos rolling, man. So today, we're gonna work on the front. Let me tear it apart, cause I want y'all to see how it was at the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already used to it, man. So I call myself gonna go ahead and try to put these parts on and you know, get it kind of looking okay. So right here we got the bumper. Okay, so it's gonna be that bumper right here with the lights on it. So that's the back bumper, this the front bumper. The only thing we'll have to do is find some bolts that'll go on here. So I'm gonna spray it with some what you call it, PB blaster, and see. Damn, I can't fuck that up. PB blaster, just to kind of, you know what I'm saying, hydrate it a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. Spray these little bolts on here, just to get these bolts nice and tidy. So they'll be a little loose, man. You won't have all that rust on it, man. Not saying it's gonna work, but we're gonna figure it out. So guys, we're gonna, man, I hate the sun is right here. I'm gonna be hot as hell trying to put this bumper and shit on. So I wish I can, man, I wanna scoop my truck up some to try to block the sun, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be hot no matter what, guys. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna piece it up. Now this grill, this is a new grill. This probably gonna go on here. So we're gonna try to piece this thing up. See what I can. So all I have to do, man. Now I see how he got some of this stuff, you know what I'm saying, kind of on there a little bit, but I'm just gonna try to work my measurement so I can kind of get it from, you know, looking a little better than what it is. So we'll get back with y'all. Let me get these things and stuff. See if I can attach this stuff also. I got this actually off the wagon that old buddy had. I was gonna say, when they gonna get them leaves? They ain't even get them there, man. So, can't just keep my phone in the sun, cause that mother will get hot on me. So, I'll just bear with me. And let me get over there and start working. Alright guys, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. Let me take me a little break. We're gonna get back with y'all. We're gonna finish it though, man. She's coming along, but we're gonna finish it, so we'll get back with y'all. When I say I'm so fucking tired, Man. When I say I'm so fucking tired, man, it's getting there, y'all. I had to take the damn bump filler and shit back off. But we're gonna finish today. Can't give up. Fuck it. Cut y'all back on. Let me take me a little break. Alright, guys. Man, it's so fucking hot. I'm done for the day, man. I just want to give y'all a little update, man. So I finished, but I ain't just done yet. For some reason, the bumper is kind of off a little bit, which is throwing my filler piece off, but let me show y'all. All right, so we got a piece by piece. See this piece right here? It gotta go down. It's like it gotta, this bumper is kind of up. That one is more flush. So I should have put that in and this right here. So I gotta fix that, but overall, man, we got it back on. The only pieces we missing, of course, is the side pieces right here. But like I said, y'all can see how it's like that. But I gotta fix that, man, some kind of way. But man, slowly but slowly, man, we getting it. So I got all that in. Got this part right here in. Got all this tightened up. All this wasn't tightened at first. Got all this stuff. So I gotta go back and tighten the rest of this fender stuff up. So this stuff wasn't on. I got this finally flush with that. Like I said, these pieces, like stuff like this, we're gonna have to get all that back in there, tighten up. Definitely. And after that, man, put some more of this fender pieces on. Just wanna make sure all the fender stuff on before we, you know what I'm saying, be done with it. But like I said, man, we just getting what we could get, man. Every day we're gonna be out here grinding, getting what we can get. So she's looking better already, man, since she got the face on. So y'all just stay tuned to the video. And so this cable here, this cable must be the old cable, and this the new cable. So I'm not using that, so I need to hide that. Sorry, man. Okay, this our new cable. All right, so I'm gonna have to tighten this up too, y'all. Just some pieces like that. So I don't know if the hood will shut this time. Not sure. So I need to get some pliers, bend that out. But yeah, it look like the hood gonna shut, y'all, when I put it on there. So we'll be good. I'm gonna get some pliers and bend that on out. Order another hood. And I got the hood shut now. So y'all can see how the hood is. I'm gonna have to bring the hinge part up, and y'all can see the dip right here. And y'all can see what she bent in right here. So I definitely gotta get another hood and do it the right way so she can be flush. And like I said, this side just need to be up some so it won't be already shut. But it's shut right now. So yeah, guys, that's it, man. That's how I put this grill on. So I probably gonna have to just get my paint man to, you know, tighten it up, man. I'm gonna order them side pieces sooner or later. And I'll just, you know what I'm saying, if I gotta pay extra, I'll just pay extra so he can, because we probably gonna have to do, to be honest, he probably have to take this bumper back out, bend this back down to get the bumper even. Therefore, this piece can go back on there. And I just tell him, man, if he can do that, whatever you charge, I just pay extra to get that. And we're gonna go from there, man. It's gonna need a lot of work, a lot of body work too to get it sand down. It's gonna be some work, but at the end of the day, man, we're gonna get it done. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna put the back pieces on, tighten this back bumper, and probably I'm gonna get some of that lock, the thinner, if I got some more, or the acetone, if I got some more. But I'm gonna try to put some acetone, see if I can rub that gold off. And if not, then we'll probably have to put the other bump on. But I'm pretty sure that gold probably come off on the acetone. So stay tuned, guys. We're out.